Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas to you. Today we are going to make some Christmas snack. Stay there. Let us start now. 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of yeast, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 cup of sugar. Mix all together. Now, add a cup of milk, 3 eggs, a cup of water, and butter, melted butter. Then mix all together. Mix all together until the dough forms. The dough doesn't have to be hard, it has to be soft. As you see here, this is good. This is perfect for this kind of snack I'm making. Cover it and wait for 20 minutes. Put your oil ready in the pan, and when ready, start frying. You will need to check it time to time to prevent it from burning. And when it's all golden and brown, that means it's ready and you can start taking them out from the frying pan. You will repeat the same process until everything is done. Now, look at my snacks. This is perfect for coffee, tea, milk, juice, anything you would like to have with. The idea I'm going to show you here, I had it in my mind, and well, I really didn't know if it will work because there is something I wanted to buy and put in the middle and then put my snacks on so it can look like a Christmas tree. But hey, I'm happy I made it like this way. It also worked better and I love the way I did it. So look at it. Look at it. Look at this, guys. And I also spray some powdering sugar on top. So here's my snacks. They are all ready to enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Bye.